Okay, so hi dear Scorpio, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 6th till the 12th of January. Okay, the roles can be reversed, also please keep that in mind. If it is not resonating, not your story. Now, if you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. Link is in the description box. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. You can trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots accordingly. And if you have any queries, you can mail us on the modernsanyasini@gmail.com. The previous mail is not working anymore. Now let's see, Scorpio, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see, Scorpio. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Okay. We have the Hermit card. Someone is thinking a lot about the future direction of the situation between you and them. It's like it may be a lack of communication or no communication happening kind of a thing right now at this present moment. But someone is kind of thinking a lot, thinking deeply about the situation. Let's clarify the Hermit. Okay, we have the Magician, the Four of Cups, and the Three of Pentacles. This is someone who is silently manifesting this energy of having a proper clarity about this collaboration partnership, like what this means to them, what this means to you, where this situation is going, where this collaboration partnership is going, and what can happen in the coming future. So this is someone who is silently manifesting this energy of clarity and this energy of wanting to understand what can happen next in the situation. See, they feel like trapped in the situation. Somewhere deep down, they're feeling trapped here. And that is why they feel trapped is not the correct word actually. They're feeling lost and confused in the situation and they want the clarity, they want the answers. That is why they feel like they should take a step back or they should think about it very deeply before doing anything in this direction. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? We have the Queen of Cups. You have a lot of love for this person. You have a lot of love for this whole situation, but you're keeping your emotions to yourself. These are deep rooted emotions that you have for this person or situation, but at the same time you feel like you should just keep it to yourself. Okay, let's clarify the Queen of Cups. We have the Fool card, the Hierophant, and the Five of Swords. Yes. See, this person is feeling like they should do whatever they feel is right in this direction, meaning they feel like taking some kind of leap of faith in this direction where both of you are connected to each other for the long term, but their mind is telling them otherwise. That is why this person is feeling like they should keep their energies and feelings and confusions and everything to themselves. Okay, this is what they're feeling. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions? This is your feeling, right? So, Scorpio, I'm sorry if I said this is what they are feeling. This is like you feel like keeping your emotions to yourself, right? Although your heart is still in this energy and you still feel like having something solid in this situation, but your mind is telling you otherwise. Okay, if I said anything wrong in this situation, really sorry about that. Let's see what this person wants from you. Page of Swords. Okay, they want to know each and everything about you, but from a distance. They want to learn more and more about you. Whatever they can from this situation, whatever they can from the distance, they want to learn and understand each and everything about you properly and honestly. Let's clarify the Page of Swords here. We have the Strength card, the Queen of Cups, and the Two of Pentacles. See, they want to keep their energies to themselves. They want to practice this self-healing kind of energy. They want to let go of the confusion, this on and off, in and out within themselves first. Before saying or doing anything in this direction from their side, they want to understand each and everything about the situation within themselves first. This is what they want. The clarity, the understanding, the knowing of what this means to them and what can come next in the situation. Okay, let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? Queen of Wands. Okay, right now you just want to take certain kind of action in this direction, meanwhile keeping your energies intact. Basically, you want to be the center of attention of your own world, but you want to take certain kind of action in this direction too, to sort it out with this particular person or energy. Let's clarify the Queen of Wands. We have the King of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands, the Five of Cups. Yes, see, you want to sort it out with this person, because even though you are very much like focused on yourself, your money, your job, your career, your looks, and everything about you, you are still having some kind of bothersome energy inside of you that is continuously telling you to sort it out with this person. Okay, okay. In a very practical and logical and grounded way, rather than being all emotional or being all over the place about it. You want to sort it out with this person with this uh, energy of, okay, let's be mature about it, let's be grounded about it, and let's talk about it that way, right? Let's see what's coming towards it till the 12th of January in the situation, honey. Scorpio. Five of Swords. I do see a lot of mental chaos here. It's like continuously fighting with yourself, continuously in your head about things, and not being able to understand what you should actually do. Let's clarify the Five of Swords here. We have the Four of Wands, the Three of Swords, the High Priestess. You guys will not be able to come on the same page when it comes to commitment, long-term partnership, or something stable in the situation. One of you will be one of you will be in this energy of, okay, let's talk about it, let's sort it out, let's do something about it. The other person is not participating, and that's why the energy is creating conflict between you guys, and it might create pain as well, a little bit of pain. I don't say it's a ongoing energy, because Three of Swords is a minor arcana, so this pain is not something that is going to last longer than uh, 3 weeks to 3 months. But this is something that you have to go through in order to understand the real situation, the real deal of the situation here. Sorry about that, honey. For you, the guidance here is the Emperor. You have to take the charge of your life in your own hands. You have to make your own choices and decisions. No one else or nothing else is going to be held responsible for what you are going to deal with in the coming future. Okay, so taking the responsibility of your own happiness and taking the charge of your life like in your hands is highly, highly recommended, instead of waiting for this person or waiting for the situation to turn around and give you something. You have to make the right choice, you have to make the right decision, and you have to bear the consequences of your own decisions here, basically taking the responsibility of whatever is coming next. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste, honey.